Hey guys, I got a question on number 20 from section 9.2, and we're trying to find confidence intervals for population means. And the question is just on part B here. We're given three different data sets, all sampling from the same population. And the first part of it was just to calculate the sample mean, so just the means of each of these data sets. And then we're supposed to calculate, I think, the 95% confidence interval for each of the different data sets. So how you do that in StatCrunch is you just go to Open StatCrunch, and you see the three different data sets here. And you just go to T-stats, one sample, right? Actually, I know there's three samples here, but we just want to, we're computing the confidence interval for each one. So it's just, we're just doing the confidence interval for one sample. Okay. And it's with data here instead of with a summary. Sometimes they give you a summary, but here they're actually giving you the raw data. So with data, and then you just have to make sure that you've got the right column, right? So let me see if I can blow this up. They've nicely labeled it here, but I want data set one, which is the third column actually. So data set one, and then I just want a confidence interval of 95%. And you see it gives me the lower limit and the upper limit. And it even gives me the sample mean. If you're really familiar with StatCrunch, you might have just been able to do that right away and get all these sample means. But I probably wouldn't realize that. I'd probably calculate the mean independently and then work on the confidence interval, not knowing that they wanted me to do a confidence interval later. But you see that those are the answers that they want right here. So that's just how you do it. And then you do the same thing for the data set two here, which is just switching the column of data that you're taking as your sample. I hope that helps a little bit.